What's up, Smart Homers? My name's Aaron, and in this video I want to show you 5 features that you get with the brand new Ecovacs D-Bot T30S Combo. Now, there are actually 2 versions available, the T30S Omni and the T30S Combo, and while the two have all the same features, the Omni is a bit more of a budget-friendly option, and the Combo comes with an additional vacuum cleaner. Today, we're going to be looking at the Combo that Ecovacs sent me to check out. So looking at this robot in comparison with their other flagship robot, the X2 Combo, there are a few differences that I want to point out. First, this one doesn't have a camera, and instead uses a top-mount LiDAR and a 3D structured light sensing setup to detect and avoid obstacles. The lack of a camera might actually be a welcome feature for those who are more security conscious. And I think the top-mount LiDAR works much better than the built-in type that the X2 uses. The entire body of the robot is this matte black, which is also really nice, and the round shape allows it to get out of tight spaces with ease, and the obstacle avoidance works very well. Another difference from the X2 is that the Handback in this combo station actually has a black cap rather than the chrome cap, and I think it makes it look very sleek and a bit more subdued. So let's take a look at some of the new features that you get with this robot. One of the things that has been really emphasized in 2024 when it comes to robotic vacuums is anti-tangle technology. Specifically, the prevention of human or pet hair getting tangled up in the roller brush and decreasing the efficiency of your vacuum. Tangled hair also causes more maintenance, and it's something that we want to avoid at all costs. Ecovacs has come out with their own anti-tangle technology, and it's different from what I've seen from Narwhal and from Dreamy. They call it their zero tangle technology, and it features a V-shaped spiral roller brush with anti-static bristles that reduces hair pickup. Then it has a stationary set of these plastic teeth-like combs. As the hair catches on the roller, it gets shredded by the teeth, and that shredded hair gets sucked up by the vacuum. This reduces how often you need to check and clean the roller, which is one of the most annoying things about other robotic vacuums. Now, I have 3 long-haired females in this house, and after sending this thing out for its first cleaning after a few days of not cleaning the house, I was amazed that there was no hair on the roller brush. This tells me that this design is working very well. They've also streamlined the suction chamber so that hair flows easily through it. And that, coupled with the 11,000 pascals of suction, the highest in the industry, makes sure that the hair gets taken right to the dustbin and doesn't get stuck anywhere. This suction also means that it should have some excellent carpet cleaning capabilities. Next, they have a new system for ensuring that they mop all the way to the edge of a room. And they call this technology True Edge Adaptive Edge Mopping. This uses the LiDAR navigation and structured light obstacle avoidance to determine where the edges of a room are, and then the mop pad is extended out to reach the edge. Using its obstacle avoidance technology, the flexible mop plate continuously expands and contracts based on the shape it sees to mop right up against chair legs and other smaller obstacles. Here you can see that it actually recognized the balusters of my railing as individual legs, and is trying to get between them with the mop pad. That is some detailed mopping. Here you can see it going along the bottom of the vanity in my bathroom, and it can't reach all the way under, but it's pretty far, giving a really nice clean under there. If you're worried about that dry strip it left, don't worry, on the way back it gets that strip. They say it has 1mm edge accuracy with a 98% coverage improvement over the previous model, which is really cool. When it's done mopping, it cleans the mop pads with hot water and hot air dries them. The combo part of the name is, of course, from the fact that the base station houses both a robotic vacuum and a handback. The handback has specific attachments for different cleanings, including an upholstery brush, a crevice tool, and a little brush tool. This thing works super well for cleaning under the couch cushions, car seats, and in other places. The X2 Combo, which is our current vacuum, also has this, and this handback has been super useful in the past few months. It seemed to have really strong suction, much stronger than a dustbuster, and what's really cool is that it empties itself automatically into the dustbin of the base station. So you may be asking, well, what smart features does this smart vacuum have? One of the strengths of Ecovacs robots is their vast array of smart features. For example, it has what's called foot touch control. This allows you to tell the robot to resume a cleaning task by touching the bumper with your foot. It also has a built-in voice assistant called Yico, and if you say "Okay Yico" to it, it'll respond and you can give it instructions for where to clean. Okay Yico, mop the dining room. The robot itself actually has a microphone in it, so this means you can give it instructions even when you're not near the base station. You can tell it to clean a specific room or even under the bed if you've set bed as furniture in the 3D map in the app. As far as smart home integration, this robot works with Google and Amazon assistants, and it also works via third-party integration with Home Assistant. There are tons of sensors and controls in Home Assistant, and I'm not going to get into all of them, but I will when I do my vacuum comparison later this year. The last thing I want to touch on is this all-in-one combo station. It allows for auto self-empty of the dustbin in both the robotic vac and the hand vac, which is amazing, and it has hot water mop washing, so you can expect properly cleaned pads at all times. Once they're cleaned, it's going to perform a hot air mop pad drying routine for a set number of hours that you can specify in the app. This ensures that they're going to dry properly and things don't start to smell. It has a multifunctional button on the front of the base station as well that allows you to do a manual self-empty or send it out to do a job. If you're looking for a premium vacuum that has excellent mopping capabilities, amazing obstacle avoidance, and an awesome base station, the combo is the way to go at a current price of $1199.99. If you're looking for a more budget vacuum, the T30S Omni is a bit more cost effective, but it's still a premium vacuum in my opinion. The T30S Omni is sitting at only $999.99, which is an amazing deal. Links are in the description if you're interested, so don't forget to use those if you want to pick up this awesome vacuum. Anyway, that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know what you thought of this video in the comments or what you think about this vacuum. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more vacuum reviews, because there's more coming up. Also, I plan to have a huge comparison of all the flagships later this year, so definitely get subscribed if you want to see that. Anyway, thanks for watching. See ya.